Hello everyone. Uh, for this time, I will present a blindfold presentation. Let's start. Number one. Uh, Number one. What cases does Metropolitan Trial Court, MTC Municipal Trial Court, and MCTC Municipal Circuit Trial Court has a original jurisdiction? Metropolitan Trial Court, Municipal Trial Court, and Municipal Circuit Trial Court have exclusive original cases. Especially, they have exclusive original jurisdiction, and Metropolitan Trial Court and MTC have cases included minor criminal cases, civil cases involving small claims and violation and the city ordinance. Number two, in criminal case, regional trial court have exclusive uh, exclusive regional jurisdiction over all cases and falling under the exclusive jurisdiction. Any other court, tribunal, or body and the exception of the jurisdiction of a Sandigang Bayan, they also have a jurisdiction over cases by Metropolitan Trial Court and Municipal Trial Court and Municipal Circuit Trial Court. Number three, the Sandigang Bayan has exclusive original jurisdiction over cases involving violation of anti-graft and corruption practices. A certain offense of the revised penal code by the public officers and the employees engage a relation to the office.